Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall multiple credit cards. To begin, unlock your smartphone and locate the credit card apps you wish to uninstall. Find the app icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Press and hold the app icon until a menu appears. Select the option that says uninstall or remove app. Confirm the uninstallation when prompted. Repeat this process for each credit card app you want to remove. Once you have uninstalled the apps, it's essential to clean up any login sessions. Open the settings on your device. Scroll down and tap on Apps or Application Manager. In the list of installed apps, look for any web browsers you use. Select the browser from the list. Tap on Storage or Storage and Cache. Choose the option to clear cache to remove any saved data. Next, return to the browser settings and look for privacy or security options. Select Clear Browsing Data or Clear History. Make sure to check the box for cookies and site data and cached images and files. Confirm the action to clear all selected data. Now, move to any social media apps where you may have linked your credit card details. Open those apps one by one and navigate to the Settings or Account section. Look for any payment or billing information settings. Remove any saved credit card information you find. Finally, restart your device to ensure all changes take effect. Your device is now free of those credit card apps and any associated login sessions. You can confidently know your personal information is better protected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.